This is Robert Thompson with the Robert and Christy Real Estate Team.
It's Christy.
And Christy.
How are you guys today? Welcome back and thank you for tuning in with us again. If you guys visited us earlier at 12 o'clock, we were doing another virtual open house and we're doing the second one for the day. We're excited to show you 4020 Old Waverly here in Corona.
Yeah, this is a great home. This is located in South Corona. It's in the Eagle Glen community, which is in South Corona. It's 3516 square feet. The price is $739,900. It's a 4-bedroom, 4-bath. The lot size is a decent size, 8276 with a pool. So this is a great pool home. Not a lot of those for sale right now. Right. The home was built in 2002. So
right. And it's in the Eagle Glen community of South Corona, which is very close to shopping. So you have the crossings just across the freeway with a Target. It has Old Navy in there. It has
movie theaters,
Marshalls and so forth. Some restaurants in there as well. And then we have the lakes at Dos Lagos, or the shops at Dos Lagos, that also has various shopping and also has a theater. Closer to Eagle Glen is the shopping center for the
Stater Brothers. Stater Brothers Shopping Center, and it also has, of course, the great Eagle Glen Golf Course, which is up the hill, along with a nice little Eagle Glen Park that's right up in that area.
Yeah, so beautiful area to live in. So we're gonna start the tour here and get things started. Real quickly, I guess we should mention taxes because I'm sure that's on everybody's mind. The HOA is $72 a month, and the taxes is the 1.112 for your annual property taxes plus $977 a year for special assessments. All right.
All right.
We'll get started here.
Okay, so this has great curb appeal. You notice the nice landscaping that they did. This sits on a cul-de-sac, which is really, really cool. But it's beautiful. When you come up, this home just kind of stands out from the other ones in that neighborhood. But let's want to take a look inside. Let me open the door for you and let's have a walk inside and take a look.
All right.
So you walk in, you have like a tile entryway that's right here. The dining room and the living room over here is carpeted. You have crown molding. You have nice sized baseboards in the area. There's the entryway. It does have an alarm system as well. It's wired for alarm. And this dining area is right over here is the butler's pantry right there. So, and then the pantry is right on the other side of this wall. The home, as we're kind of going through, you can see the laundry room is off of there. Here's the family room. This is a wood-looking tile floor, so it's really nice. It has the tile floors are awesome.
The
fireplace in there, very huge. It's considered more of a great room than it is everything. It's very large.
And I don't know if you noticed, we can't go back, but there in the living room and the family room was a crown molding, recessed lighting as well. I think that's pretty much throughout the house, right?
Right. Yeah. Okay. And then you'll notice here in the kitchen you have granite countertops. You have a nice kitchen island, stainless steel appliances. You have a range top right here. There's a range, and then your vented range hood right there. Mm-hmm. Really beautiful home. It has updated fixtures on the cabinets.
Nice backsplash as well. Yep.
Here's the butler's pantry. They're using it as a cafe bar. And then over here to the right is the butler's pantry. Lots of storage space in there for that. So going in here, this is right off the kitchen, or in the kitchen. It's a little like nook area for like a breakfast eating area. This is the downstairs half bathroom. That's right there. You can see the updates in it. Everything's been updated in this house.
That leads into the laundry room.
Laundry room, nice sized laundry room. It has some cabinets along with the garage. Has epoxy flooring. The garage door was right off there. Let's take a walk upstairs and let's enter up into the bonus room, which was a great feature of this house. This is a very large kind of loft bonus room area. The previous owners before this one actually had it set up as a theater. They had, again, the crown molding, recessed lighting. The posters, if you want the posters, they can come with it. That was actually from the previous owners.
Yeah. And just to get perspective, as we came up the stairs, we're out the loft. The bedrooms are off here. You'll see them in the background there. Robert points to them. And then off to the opposite side of this loft is your master. So your bedrooms are separated by the loft.
So you have an entrance right here to one bedroom, your bathroom there, another bedroom here, and then this bathroom on the other side of this wall has its own private bathroom as well. Here's the another view of the bonus room up there.
Looking into the
master bedroom. And this is the master bedroom. You can see the crown molding, the ceiling fan. That looks to the backyard, the pool, ceiling fan. Really nice, cozy fireplace for a nice, relaxing evening. This is looking back. You can see the mountains in the background and the pool down there.
This is your in-bedroom fireplace. Really nice to have off of your master bathroom. Of course, your master bathroom has your dual sinks on separate vanities, which is really nice. Your separate tub and shower again, which is very nice to have, and a lot of windows over there, obviously by that.
Beautiful closet with a closet organizer. You have your shoe racks, and you have the upgraded nice built-ins right there. So this is one of the bedrooms that are off the. Well, we'll go through all the bedrooms now. Notice how they have a ceiling fan again, the crown molding throughout, the blinds. Walk-in closet.
Nice carpet upstairs. And nice paint throughout the house.
Can you pause this?
Yeah.
Okay, here's the upstairs bathroom. So this has been upgraded as well. Notice the nice, they had that, what do you call that? That kind of almost like a shiplap type wood on the background right here. It's really beautiful. Right. And then they upgraded cabinets as well. So this is the shared upstairs bathroom.
Yeah,
right here
and
with
the
dual sinks.
Dual sinks in here, which is really nice to have.
The other bedroom up here, very big. That one also has a ceiling fan. Again, they added the wood type shiplap on the style. It adds a great contemporary feel to it.
This is your front bedroom that has its own bathroom. So you'll see it off here to the right here in a second. This is not wallpaper. This is a young girl's artwork of magazine or something on her wall. So that will obviously be removed.
The ceiling fan, and then you have a nice large closet, and then this goes into the bathroom that Christy was talking about.
So this one has its own private bathroom, which is very nice to have.
Yeah, great for guests as a guest room.
And that's her that bathroom in that particular room. All right.
Backyard, you have aluminum wood patio cover, nice concrete pad. Of course, you got the pool right here, a little bit of grass area, and then behind is a barbecue area. And also he's planted some other trees as well as some vines. He's got some vines right there, some grapevines for that. You can start your own vineyard back there.
Right.
So
a lot of space you can see between the pool and the home.
Yeah.
This is not that view that shows it, but there definitely is.
So again, this is in the Eagle Glen community. It's going to kind of pan around and you'll see the local mountains. This is also located to hiking trails and things like that are up in the local area. So if you have any questions,
yeah, so we would like you to encourage you please to go ahead and comment in the message portion of the feed, and we'll get back to you on any questions you may have. If you want to see a full view of this in another platform, pause that. If you want to see another view of this in a different platform or a YouTube link or such, let us know. We'll go ahead and message that, send that over to you. If you have any interest in seeing it, please contact us. And we have ways of doing things in these days and ages that we're in right now where we're kind of not able to do a whole lot as we're all confined at home. That's another reason why we wanted to bring these virtual open houses to you so you can still be out shopping. But we have ways of having the owners help us help you see more of the home with Zoom live walkthroughs or other photos that they'd be willing to take until we can actually get back out and look at homes. We do have ways of doing that for you still. We did it just yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday. So. A rock star, Raquel, one of our agents on our team, she did an amazing job, and she was able to get one of our clients into an offer and got it accepted yesterday. And that was done through like a Zoom type meeting between the listing agent, Raquel being the buyer's agent, the buyers and the sellers, we all collaborated together. Mm-hmm. So everybody's kind of teaming up right now, doing everything we can do to help, because buyers want to buy, sellers want to sell. This specific one on 4020 Old Waverly, they're moving back down to Orange County, highly motivated to get the home sold so they can move on to their next step in life. So
and if you're a buyer really seriously interested in buying, and I know we've got the COVID that we're all dealing with, but if you're truly serious, this is actually a really good time to be doing so, because so many buyers have backed off because their agents aren't showing a different way of doing business. And so we are out there doing it a little bit differently, still getting you into the homes virtually, and still getting those offer accepted. So you might not have as much competition as you would have had 2 weeks ago. So right now, if there's a home you really like, contact us. We will make sure that we can get you those extra pictures and videos of the home and write your offer. And all of that, by the way, is subject to inspection. So you get the offer accepted, great, and congratulations, but you still want to see the inside. And once the orders are lifted and we can go actually inside these homes, then we'll take it in. And if it's not as good as what you thought or something changed, then you can back out, because we have ways of being able to do that, and you're okay and safe and legal to do so. So contact us. We've got all kinds of information for you, and we're actively involved daily. I think we're working longer hours than we were 2 weeks ago. We just want to be there for our clients. So I hope this helped. Please reach out, and we wish you guys all the best this weekend. Be safe, be well, and if you want to see this video again, it will be posted, obviously, so you guys can rewatch it, or any of the other ones we've posted in the last 2 days.
Yeah, you can either go to our website, which is robertandchristy.com, which will also show the video. This also has another website called 4020oldwaverly.com, which you can go to. So there's all sorts of different ways to be able to view what we've done. Yeah. So we look forward to helping you out, and please reach out and share with your friends so we can help these owners move on. Thank you.
All right, guys. Bye-bye.
So just stand here.
Yeah, just stand there because something bubbles in the way. There you go.